Hi, this is a review of the Atari plug-and-play TV game from Dex Pacific. Excuse me. And this is pretty similar to that over there, but the controllers that come with that are meant to look like the Atari. They're meant to look like Atari 2600 controllers. And this one is the same way. Except this let me first say, except this one is much bulkier, and it has I think 10 games built in. Now the difference between this and the Atari Flashback 2 is that this has what's called an NOAC, or an NES on a chip. It's got the select and start button. So that reset on. And as you can see here, it has the Atari logo. Oh, now I apologize if I'm stuttering too much. Now moving on. Here are the AV cables, and all plug and plays run on four AA batteries. So let's go to turn on. Yep. So, a lot of the games turn on here are also on there, and on Atari, and also on Atari Anthology for the PS2. So I'm pretty happy to have all three Atari experiences. Yeah, you can see this thing is very dusty. As you can see, this works pretty well. And the original Atari 2600 controllers, and those controllers right there, they'll have a gold trim around the joystick. Whereas this one has a silver trim. And as you can see here, the word top. It has a different shape, and I think also the button out here is quite different from the buttons on there on the controllers. So that's my review of the Atari plug and play TV joystick. I'll catch you later.